Hi, this is Galaxy S24 Ultra and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So open the settings first and then tap to the connected devices. Click here to connections. Then just tap to NFC and contactless payments, which are to activate NFC option or to turn it off. Also, you could find NFC option here on the control panel. Just open it. And if you don't see here this icon, you could tap to this edit one, click to edit and find here NFC, hold and drag it to this up section, tap to done to save the changes. And now let's go back, and just now from here you could also activate or turn off the NFC option by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.